Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here, and I have an unboxing for you. I am unboxing the Shimmerz Paints November 2024 Color Kits. And oh my gosh, I love it so much. So I'm going to give you a quick look. You get this gorgeous color sheet. So there's lots of fun things on here. There's a little turkey down here. I like these little coffee cups in the center. So that's fun. You can either paint that or color that and fussy cut those out. And then this is my favorite paper, I think. All those gorgeous leaves. And then we have this beautiful plaid. And then we've got this teal plaid. And then this gorgeous paper with that red in it. And then here's another sheet that you can color. And then the back, that's really unique. It has like a crossword puzzle that says thank you or thankful. And then we have this paper. And then this is like one of those sweater patterns. Really pretty. And then this gorgeous paper. I love all these papers so much. And then this orange one, it's got snowflakes on it, so that's kind of different. And then this red one. And then this has some bright gold on it. I might have to save that for New Year's. I love that. And then this one just has it on the border, so it could go either vertical or horizontal. And then we have these beautiful sunflowers. They look so real. And then here's another color sheet. And then I love this pattern with these leaves. So pretty. And then here's another one that could either go vertical or horizontal with the yellow stripes. And then this gorgeous leaf pattern. So I'm kind of sad. Like I want two of all of these. It's going to be hard to decide which side to use. Then we also have these dots. One says give thanks, and then we've got some banners and then a sunflower. And then this month we also get these alpha stickers that are gold. Let's take a look at all the ephemera, that cute little squirrel. Oh my gosh. This little ticket. We've got a sunflower, little coffee mug, some leaves. There's a little banner with some cute little acorns. Little pumpkins in a barrel, more leaves, hello fall, pumpkin. There's a little acorn, that'd go cute with the squirrel. Some more flowers. Oh, there's a pumpkin pie, perfect. Oh, this one's cute. Look at this little dog, oh my gosh. And then little pumpkins, lots of little pumpkins, very cute. Leaves, some more flowers. Sweater weather. I knew that was going to be in here. Thankful. And then a rainbow, a pumpkin, and then a little journaling tag and another tag. Super cute. All right, let's take a look at all the paint colors. And the first one I have here, this one is called Teal, the End of Time, and it's a Shimmerz. Now a Shimmerz is already a liquid. It's a water-based paint with shimmer. So let me paint a little bit on here. I like to swatch all of my colors on these 2x2 sheets, and then I put them on a ring so I can easily see what colors I have. Now I already had this one. This is called Here I Am, and it's a Shimmerz, and I had this one too, Punkin Pie-Vibez. So I'm not going to swatch those, but you can see the colors there since I've already swatched those. Then this next one here, this is called Ready or Not, and it's a Coloringz. Now a Coloringz is a highly pigmented spray without the shimmer. Look at this. This is a gorgeous deep fall red. I love that. Like a burgundy. So pretty. And then this last one, this one's really unique. This is Witch's Blue-Creameez. And Shimmerz is going to be switching some of their packaging to these new little pans. Now, the Creameez, the Inklings are both going to be in this little pan like this. So it's the same amount that you would receive in the jars. It's just packaged a little differently. And look how pretty that is. So that's really pretty. Creameez is a satin color. You just spray a little bit of water in it. Now you can see I took a Sharpie and wrote on the edge the color. And then I also wrote on the very end of it a C, so I knew it was a Creameez. And then this is the container I'm going to store all mine in. Now I got this off of Amazon, and I will leave it linked down below in the description box. In case you want to pick one of these up too. But I love this little tray, and there's little magnets that come with this tray on Amazon, and there's where I put the C. I already put the magnet on this one, so you can see when I put it in there, it stays in place. So it's perfect. So this is just an idea for you if you need some way to store your new shimmers that come in the color kits. So fun. I'm really excited about this new packaging. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this magnet back in here. And then now I can take out that extra storage piece. So here's a look at all the colors again. Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. I'll have links down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!